Welcome back to my channel, and it is your girl Naturallytheuni, and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. And in today's video I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow look using all three of these palettes because I couldn't pick one. You've seen these I'm sorry, I'm still sick. You've seen these palettes previously on my channel. I'm pretty sure I did a whole video on them, and then I recently picked up this and it came cracked, so I did another shadow, just cracked. Yep, it came cracked, and then another shadow just dropped right out of it as soon as I opened it onto my pants. So I never did a video on it because that's how I felt about it. It came broken. I didn't even have tracking for it. It literally just popped up at my door, cracked, and I was like, but anyway, that is the end of this. That is, I can't even think. Like, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Have a nice day or night wherever you are. I don't know how to feel anymore. I'm sorry, guys. To moisturize my face and my lips, I'm going to be using my Badescu Facial Spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water, and my Blistex. To prime my face, I'm using the Soft Matte Pro Filter Fenty Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing my L'Oreal Inflatable Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Cocoa 112 with my The Ordinary Colors Serum Foundation in the shade 3.1Y. To do my eyebrows, I'm using my dipbrow pomade in the shade Dark Brown. To clean up my eyebrows, I'm using my Colourpop concealers in the shade 60 and in the shade 65. After I'm done cleaning up my eyebrows, I bring the concealer down onto my eyelid. Then I set that with my Morphe Banana Setting Powder. From the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette, I'm using the shade Yara, and that's the first shade that I'm going to be working into my crease. my brow bone, I'm using the shade Zoba. Using the Saharan palette, I'm going into the shade Jamila. Now I'm taking the shade Kia and I'm putting that on my lid. Now I'm putting the bright green shade from the middle of the Zulu palette in the corner of my lid. Now I'm taking the dark brown shade and I'm working that into the crease and the outer part just to deepen up the part around of where we just put the green colors. Going into the Saharan palette, I take the shade Chad and I work that into the outer part of my crease. Using the e.l.f. All Over Color Stick in the shade Permission, I put that on the inner corner of my eyes so that the shades stick to it better. Using Zoba again, I put it in the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm using my NYC liner in the shade Extreme Black. Taking a clean fluffy brush, I'm brushing away any possible fallout that may have landed on my cheek. Using my Colourpop concealer in the shade 60 Deep Golden, I highlight under my eyes and everywhere else on my face that I would normally highlight. Now I'm using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set everywhere that I put the concealer. I'm taking my destroyed Nicka K Duo palette and I'm going to take the lighter brown shade in it and I'm going to contour my face with it. Now I'm going to use my Sacha face powder all over my face, and it is in the shade Perfect Spice. Using the Saharan palette, I go into the shade Jamila and I work that into my bottom lash line. Using the face powder brush, I brush out any possible fallout, and then I use my Badescu Facial and add moisture back into my face. To highlight my face, I'm using Zoba from the Saharan blush volume 2 palette. Today I'm not using false eyelashes, I'm just using the Falsies Volume Express Maybelline Mascara. For lipstick, I'm using my NYX Lingerie Lippy in the shade Teddy. I ended up not liking how Teddy looked, so I went to go get my Colourpop lipstick in the shade K. Now I'm setting my face using my Maybelline Master Fix setting spray. That's the end of this tutorial. I hope you liked how this look came out. Comment any questions you may have down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you haven't, click the bell button so you know when I upload.